So as you can see, we got about 6 to 8 inches of fresh snow. The driveway is unplowed. We got the Maverick sort of cleaned off. We're gonna see if we can just blast through this and make it up the driveway. The driveway does have a good incline. It doesn't show it on this video, but it does have a good incline to get out. So let's see. Put it in traction control off. We'll do normal mode, traction control off. Let's see what this little puppy can do. Here we go. Easy peasy. So the roads have been cleared. Everybody's starting to do some snow cleanup at this point. I just hit the brakes there pretty good, and anti-locks work fine. I can get this with the traction control off. I can get this thing to go sideways pretty easy. Now, of course, you're probably going to want to drive in slippery mode and traction control on for your best control. But this isn't my first rodeo. I actually plowed snow commercially for 6 years, had my own snow plow company, so I know what to do and what not to do. But the traction is very controllable. I feel very confident where I'm placing the vehicle. No issues. That's on the stock tires. I have not put any new tires on. I do have a set of tires coming with some new rims. Those will be going on in mid-February. They're going to be lighter than the steel tire, the steel wheels, and they are going to be an ultra performance all-season tire. So that should help with all kinds of traction. I have no complaints about these Continental Contact Pros. Really a good tire. Quite surprised at how good they grip in the dry, in the wet, and now as you can see, this is a good snowstorm we got here in the Northeast, so we're satisfied. Well, anyways, I'm going to end the video here. Everybody, have a good day.